Well, hello guys. Good evening. Welcome back to our December week 2. Hi Isaac. Hi Kesha. Hello Kaiser. 你会来的。Okay, hi 时间. How are you? Yeah, I know. I heard that too. Wow, how did you know? How did you know he told? You're not here. You're not here. Okay. You go to his class, right? Right. Hi Tinja, how are you? Okay, guys. Since you guys are okay, is everyone here? Is everyone here? Your house got the tamu Okay, okay. 我等一下有你在写国语作文吗 Okay, so what are we doing today, guys? We are going into your chapter 10. Okay, we are going to chapter 10. Should I say this? We are continuing on chapter 10. This very interesting chapter. Let's not study today. No. Nice try, but no. Right. I think we went through the first page. Oh, sorry, I forgot to erase this. We went through the first page, right? Have we? Have we went through the first thing? Happy holiday. Oh yeah, you guys having a holiday already, huh? So good. Okay lah. Shijan, this is a very easy lesson. So yeah, it's a very easy lesson. So it's not stressful today. Don't worry. Okay, Keshav, I need to sleep, Keshav. Okay, right. Let me repeat this. As we learned last week, sound is produced by vibration. When things vibrate, they have kinetic energy. They will change this to sound energy. Then you will hear sound. My voice box is vibrating, so you can hear my sound, my voice. Right. So this is sound. Okay, and as you know, sound requires a medium to propagate. Memerlukan medium untuk merambat. That means sound, they need something in the middle to travel. They cannot just go through vacuum. Remember this? Can I? Okay. You got adrenaline up. What's up? If vibration creates sound, can sound contain vibration? No. It doesn't work like this. Okay, when something is vibrating, right? You'll learn this in physics next time. When something is vibrating, we call it an oscillation. Okay, when something is oscillating, it is transmitting energy out. Okay, it is transmitting energy out. Okay, it can't travel it can't travel in a vacuum. So this is okay. What is oscillation? You will learn this in Form 4 physics next time. It's CUUM, Kishav. You don't, please don't. It's CUUM. So okay, it's vacuum, not bag. Where does the energy come from? So when you vibrate this, you need energy, right? So this energy will change into the sound energy lah. Okay, can so it requires a medium to propagate. If there's air in between, you can hear the bell. But as you draw vacuum out, there's no more air here. There's no more medium. Okay, no medium. So you will not hear the sound. You will not hear the bell. Okay, you guys okay? Like I said, if you watch any space movie, you should hear nothing. Should. Right? That's why high IQ movies, high IQ space movies, they actually have no sound. Okay? So sound cannot travel through vacuum, as I said. So sound, they travel fastest in solid, you see, very rapid in solid, because the atoms, they are very close. Liquid, they are a bit slower, less rapidly, because the particles are loose. Okay, the atoms, they are loose. Gas, they are very slow, because the atoms, they are very far away from each other. They are very far. Yeah, almost no movie. Some have, say like Gravity, they have, right? So sound can be reflected and absorbed. Have I mentioned this before? Shishan, what's up? Why are you laughing? Okay, have I mentioned this before? hard and smooth surface, they are good sound reflector. Okay, so when you put a wood here, it is a hard and smooth surface. You can hear the stopwatch from here. But if you use a soft and rough surface, let's say you put a sponge here, you will not hear any reflection because soft and rough surface, they are good sound absorber. Sure, you sure or not? I've not heard this news leh. You sure? Okay, so anyway, you guys okay? You guys okay? Hard and smooth, they are good sound reflector like your wall. That's why when you move into a new house without any furniture, you can hear reflected sound. We call it echoes. But in a cinema, you don't hear any reflection. There's no echo because your cinema is full of carpet, full of sponge, full of soft stuff. Okay, soft and rough surface. That's why there's no reflection. Oh, is it? Okay, I'll check the news. Okay, you guys okay? Are you guys okay? So how do you reduce echo? How do you reduce reflected sound? You can add carpet, add curtain, add sponge, add sofa with soft cushion, anything soft lah. You will absorb the sound, then you will not hear any reflection. Your house got poor sound insulation. Why leh? You living in condo or landed? Terrace 是排屋嘛? You living in landed or condo? Or 排屋 Okay. That means you can hear your neighbor lah. That means you can hear your neighbor, is it? Okay. That means okay lah. I mean terrace you guys share the same wall lah, so that's why it's gonna be loud. Okay, guys, if you don't want echoes, right? If you don't want noisy neighbors, right? You know what you do? You buy a bungalow. No noisy neighbors. Buy bungalow, no problem. Hiya, sir, need you to say me. I also know lah. Right. It's like saying if your car sucks, sir, my car sucks, it's so noisy. You buy a BMW, problem solved. Why? Sir, so easy. Oh, if no money, you know how? Then you go earn money. Problem solved. You see? Thank me later. You're welcome. What kind of stupid answer is this? Right? Okay. Hey, this is what Paris Hilton said. This is what, who is Paris Hilton? Who is Paris Hilton? Okay, she's one of the richest daughter, okay, of some hotel guy lah. So she said, why can't poor people just stop being poor? Damn, why didn't I think of that? Am I right? You just have to stop being poor, then you wouldn't be poor. Problem solved. Thanks, mom. Okay. You see, stupidest shit ever. Hey, for real, she said that. Okay, I'm not even joking. Okay, anyway, so moving on. Okay, let's talk about the loudness and pitch of sound. Okay, I love talking about this. Okay, let's go to loudness. Okay, this is called kenyaringan. Wait, is it called kelangsingan or kenyaringan? Kenyaringan, and then this is kelangsingan. Do correct me if I got it in reverse. Okay, got it in reverse. So loudness and pitch. Okay, loudness and okay. Do you know what is loudness? You know what is loudness? Okay, I am loudness, right? And of course, pitch is how high pitch or low pitch you can go. Right. So, guys, let me write something. And please write this down. Loudness is equal to amplitude. Okay, is equal to amplitude. BM, you spell it the same way without the E. Okay. Oh. Is this low enough? Is it bassy enough? Is it manly enough? What's up, baby? What the hell? Okay, anyway, so loudness and amplitude. Loudness and amplitude. I'm stopping. Okay, why? What's up? Very unique. Okay, sorry. Okay, so loudness and amplitude. Okay, so what is amplitude? Okay, if this is a sound wave, okay, this is a sound wave. The height of the sound wave is the amplitude. Right? I repeat again. The height of the sound wave is the amplitude. Okay, the height is the amplitude. So lower amplitude, softer the sound. Higher amplitude, higher the sound. Because loudness is the amplitude. So the higher the amplitude, the louder the sound. Right? Hello, Avi. How are you? Why your teacher no teach you this? Cause your teacher noob lah. You thought she teacher Eddie. Cannot compare one. Just joking, okay? You almost in your class today, okay? Well, glad that you remember. Glad that you remember. Okay. Yes, Feng Yao, hello. And who just came in? Hello, Kaozen. How are you? Nice to see you. Teacher Eddie, one of a kind. Is it a good thing? One of a kind is GD song though. It's my favorite album. Right. Anyway, so the louder your sound, the higher the amplitude. Oh shit, you know. Shit. Okay. So this sound is like this. Guys, if I'm talking like this, then my sound looks like this. Okay? Okay. And if I talk like this, then this is my sound. Okay? Loud and big amplitude, it's loud sound. Is it loud enough? I taught this like 5 times this week. I shouted like 5 times, like a freaking freaking moron in class. Yes, ear rape. Yes, ear rape. My mic. You should be glad my microphone is with my webcam. If I shout here, you will die. Don't want. Okay, I don't want to spoil your ear. Okay, anyway, so moving on. So again, let me write this down, and please write this down too. Your pitch is equal to your frequency. Now, BM is called frequency. It's called frequency. Do you know what's the meaning of frequency? Do you know what is the meaning of frequency? Do you know what's frequency? How frequent? Okay, let's just talk about English. How frequent do you do something? That means how many times you do it in a fixed time. You see, this is less frequent. This is more frequent. And you was once a VIP. What do you mean was? You don't simply quit being a VIP, Shijian. You don't. Why am I so defensive? Right, so you see, less frequent, more frequent. So this is low frequency. This is high frequency. Yeah, I mean, I do lah. I mean, whenever I listen to their songs, I just feel sad. Okay, they used to be so up there, and yeah. But what's wrong with my heartbeat? What's wrong with my heartbeat? 哎，怎么你要看我的 heartbeat？不好啊你。Okay, so this is low frequency, high frequency. Okay, low frequency, high frequency. Okay, you see, low frequency means things are very far apart. Okay, things are very far apart. High frequency means things are very close. Okay, 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 nice, losers. All right, so can you see the wavelength here? Shijian, did your teacher teach you about wavelength? No, any of your teacher taught this, and do you know what is wavelength? Okay, wavelength and frequency they go opposite. You see, when my wave is very far apart, when my frequency is very low, my wave is very far, my wavelength is very long. My wavelength is very long. So it's the common sense. Like, see, wavelength is from the highest point to the highest point, or the lowest point to the lowest point. So this is a wavelength, this is a wavelength. Right? So low frequency, high wavelength. Okay, because the graph is very far away. So high frequency, close together, so the wavelength is very short. You guys get what I mean now? So let's talk about this. The higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. The higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. So this is like oh, okay, and this is like ah. I can't go that high lah, dude. Okay, you get me? You get me? I can't sing for shit lah. You guys get what I mean lah. So this is okay. In short, we call this bass, and we call this treble. Right? High frequency is treble, low frequency is bass. You guys get what does this mean? Hey, what does it? Yeah, so this is our treble and bass, right? Yes, treble clef. Okay, so you have your treble clef and your like bass clef and your treble clef. Okay, this is the high pitch and this is the low pitch lah. Okay, I mean my treble clef sucks lah. You get what I mean? Okay, anyone has question? Anyone have any question? Anyone has any question? Oh, how about alto and tenor? Okay, that's a very good question, Tinja. What is alto and tenor? Okay, this is the range of, I think you're referring to saxophone, right? You're referring to saxophone, right, Tinja? Or any instrument lah. Bass clef wrong wrong me? Okay, sorry, I don't learn music, so I don't know. Okay, so alto and tenor So tenor is the higher range. Alto, if I'm not mistaken, alto is the lower. Okay, because you see, every instrument has a range, right? Okay, it's like voice, right? So the range of your voice without going into a falsetto. You know what's a falsetto? You know what's a falsetto? Falsetto means you go you don't use your real voice. You don't use your real voice. 假音, falsetto is 假音. Okay, so how many? Okay, you can go and measure this. How many octaves can you sing? It's like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do without going to falsetto. If your voice range is like 4 octaves, you are freaking talented. You should become a singer. Right? I mean, you can train this lah, but if naturally you can get like 4 or 5 octaves, then you're a really good singer. Okay, so that's your range. You see, every instrument has a range. That's why you see, string instrument has 4. You have violin, you have the viola, you have the cello, and you have the double bass, right? Because they are in different range. You see, violin is the highest, okay, because violin is very high. So viola, they overlap a little bit on the violin, but they cannot go as high as violin, but they can go lower. So double bass, cello is here, and double bass is here. So that's why you need all 4 to cover all the ranges so that it sounds nice. Okay, you can have enough harmonics to make them sound rich and nice. You get what I mean? Okay, you get what I mean? So even when it comes to singing, it's the same thing, right? If you learn singing, okay, first of all, guys, when you sing, do you know singing is very hard to learn? I'm talking about classical singing, not those lousy pop singing. I'm talking about real classical opera singing. As in you sing aria. Okay, yes, music class. Okay, when you sing, that's why I say this class is very interesting. Okay, don't fall asleep, guys. Okay, when you sing aria, right? When you sing aria, as a female, if you can sing very high range, you are called a soprano. Okay, you are called, okay, no, she's Ariana Grande. Okay, so you see, you are a soprano, and as a guy, you can either go for a tenor if you are like Pavarotti. You know who is Pavarotti? Guys, do you know who is Pavarotti? He's one of the best opera singer ever, right? So, and of course, you have baritone. Okay, baritone is like the mid-range, and then tenor is the high range. Okay, if you have not heard Pavarotti before, oh my God, you are missing out. He's the legend of opera singing. Okay. Andrea Bocelli lah, what broccoli. Okay, so the three. Oh, if you want to listen to quality singing, go listen to him sing Nessun Dorma. Oh my God, right? Your ears will thank you, right? Nessun Dorma. Nessun Dorma means none shall sleep. Okay, none shall sleep. Okay. Oh yes, eargasm, really. Okay, Nessun Dorma. This was from one of the because I watch a lot of opera. Okay, I love opera. Okay, I love opera. So if you should check out Pavarotti. He's really cool. Okay, and when he goes to that tenor range, it's effortless. He's the one of the best. Okay, and of course, Placido Domingo. Okay, Placido Domingo. Oh my God, he's awesome as well. Okay, he's awesome. You want to be an opera singer? Yeah, I want to. I want to. I just don't have the time to go and learn. Okay. Hey guys, when you learn opera singing, okay, because my sister has learned before, my wife has learned before. Opera singing, right? Opera singing, right? It's not easy because the first 3 months to 6 months, you are basically learning how to open your voice, right? Because when you learn piano, the instrument is already tuned for you. You just have to press the key, right? But for your voice, this instrument is not tuned. You have to learn how to sing. Okay, the real opera singing, okay, do you know that? Have you guys go to karaoke before? Have you guys gone to karaoke before? After you sang for the whole session, you should feel your throat hurting. That's the wrong way of singing. You see, opera singers, after 2 hours of singing, they feel nothing. Okay, yeah, they feel tired. They don't feel painful. Why? Because you're using your voice the wrong way. Your voice should not come out from your throat. Your voice should come out from your gut. All right. And if you sing the correct way, you can feel voice coming from the top of your head. That's the correct way of singing. Right. So for the first 3 to 6 months, you're basically just going, you're basically going, tuning your voice, how to use the real voice coming from your gut. So it's not easy. All right. So, and the best opera singer, they don't need mics. Okay. Once they start singing, even the back of the hall, you can hear very clearly what she's singing. That's the real way of singing. Okay. So opera. Right. So you guys should check opera out. Okay. They are really cool. Okay. Really cool. If you know, I forgot this. The Queen of the Night. Oh my God. If you listen to this, be prepared to get your ear. Okay, go listen to this. Okay, go listen to this. Queen of the Night. Queen of the Night. You go type this on your YouTube and go and listen. Okay, you understand. All right. And this crazy piece of shit is written by none other than Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Okay. So listen to this and you will know what I mean. Okay, I mean, when you listen to this, you'll be thinking, how can anyone sing that high of a pitch? You will know what I mean, right? Okay, so anyway, wow, I can just go on about music, isn't it? So like alto and tenor, if you're playing saxophone, if you play the lower tone one, the richer tone one, the bassier tone one, we call it alto. If you play a higher tone one, we call it a tenor. Oh, galore already. Okay. Wow, Dinja, you're watching. You're watching. Okay. Later I'll watch. Okay. So anyway, let me ask you something, guys. Let me ask you something. How is the sound like if I have high amplitude and low frequency? Can someone tell me? High amplitude, low frequency. Anyone? How is the voice like? I don't need you to switch on your mic and sing to me. Just tell me. Okay. Yes, loud and low. It'll be oh. See? Loud and low voice. Okay, bassy and loud. Okay. It's like you're listening to a loud bass, it's like boom, boom, boom. That's okay. High amplitude and low frequency. What about low amplitude and high frequency? What about low amplitude and high frequency? What is it like? Anyone? Anyone? Yes, it will be sharp and soft. Yes, okay. It will be I'm using a falsetto here lah. Okay, so it's squeaky. It's like high pitch and low volume. Okay, Can I? Can I? Okay, do you know every key has a frequency? Every key, every pitch has a frequency. Okay, let me show you. Okay, pitch frequency. Let me show you this. Are there? You see? You see? C, 440 hertz is middle C. 440 hertz is middle C. All right. And if this thing starts to run, you see, for some 80 years previous, it has been set at 4. Oh, this is A. Okay. Oh, this is A. Okay. So 435 hertz. All right. You want okay. So you see, people who are pitch perfect, even though the pitch runs by a little, they can tell. Right? Right? I mean, you can train this lah. You can train this lah. But if you are born a virtuoso, do you know what's a virtuoso? If you are a virtuoso, that means you are born a talent, like Mozart. Okay, Mozart started learning the harpsichord at 3. Okay, he's a freaking virtuoso, just like Chopin. Mozart started learning the harpsichord. Harpsichord is the piano. We don't call it piano last time, we call it the harpsichord. Okay, he started learning the harpsichord at 3. He had his first concert at 5 in front of the Austrian emperor. Right? I bet at 5 years old, you can't even shit properly. He's having a concert right in front of emperors already. Okay, you might say, sir, why can't any 5-year-olds be like that? Because it's Mozart lah. Right? So okay, cool. Right? So this pitch perfect is like a talent like if you're born with it So if your parents are musicians okay, it's musicians they are musicians then maybe you'll be pitch perfect, right? It's like a 1 in 1,000 thing. Okay, so if you are, then good for you. Okay, then good for you, right? Because like my piano my guitar teacher okay, she's not pitch perfect, but after years of playing she can know lah. Like my guitar runs out of tune it sounds fine to me, but for her it sounds weird, right? She can almost catch where the ballpark of the I mean she can tune a guitar without a tuner, but roughly lah, not very accurately lah. Okay, if you get what I'm trying to say. Okay. Any of you learn instruments here? So I'm sure after learning instruments for a while, you can kind of tell keys, right? Oh, piano. Okay, what grades are you guys in? Wow, oh, wow, 7. Wow, Kajun. Wow, impressive. Wow, 6. Okay. Are you guys taking ABRSM or 3DD? ABRSM. You guys had any exam lately? You guys took any videos? That's the most annoying shit ever, isn't it? Okay, do you know how I know? Because my wife teaches piano lah. She every time needs to record video for students lah. Oh my god, it's so annoying. You know how many? Even I as the husband, you know how many times I have to listen to the pieces Okay, it's like those great 3 songs I listen till I want to vomit already. Like seriously, okay, my wife is going to vomit. I'm going to vomit too because it's like, well, how many thousand times and how many students you have to, and sometimes the student is doing good at the first piece, second piece not so good then do again lor, then third piece good, then first piece not okay, do again lor, and then the intro not good, do again lor. Oh my god. Okay, the students do until back check already. Okay, she's going crazy already. Then my wife also going crazy. Then I also going crazy. Okay, sure. Okay, so anyway, guys, I think your teacher told you this because of this online video thing ABRSM, they are very strict with exams so make sure you bring your A game Make sure you bring your A game That means usually you could be getting a distinction. You could just get a merit here, because I mean, of course you can do countless takes. Of course, they are being very strict with the marks. Okay. Perfectly called Eddie. Okay, sorry, I'm not like that. Okay, I mean, I'm very I'm a big fan of classical music, but I just don't learn music, right? Because last time, okay, I was just too poor to learn lah. I begged my mom to let me learn piano, but she said no, we are too poor. So I was like, then okay lah, then never mind lah. Okay, but I'm still a very big fan of classical music. Okay, any of you went to MPO? Any of you went to MPO? You know, Philharmonic Orchestra. Any of you went to MPO? I just went to MPO during my birthday in August. It was the Four Season. Okay, Vivaldi Four Season. Ooh, so cool. MPO, Malaysia Philharmonic Orchestra. Makes you sleepy. Then Shichen, you're listening to the wrong piece. Maybe the musician is not your taste. Okay, listen to some Mozart. Listen to some Mozart. Mozart stuff is very okay. If you're a very happy person like I am, if you're a person that has an inner kid in you, listen to Mozart. Listen to Mozart. Mozart is a very happy guy. If you're a very edgy guy, you want some edgy piece, listen to Beethoven. Listen to Beethoven. He's a freaking drama queen. Same goes to Chopin. If you want something sad, something melancholic, something emotional, okay, listen to Chopin. You're a drama queen, then listen to Chopin. Listen to Beethoven. Their music will suit you well. Okay. Richard who? Richard Clayderman. Please don't. Richard Clayderman is 偏吃 one. 偏吃 one. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so we move on. Okay, do you know what's the Doppler effect? Okay, let's talk about the Doppler effect. Let's talk about the Doppler effect. Why is where's Keshav? where the hell is Keshav? No wonder someone's missing in the chat. Okay, anyway, so you guys know what is the Doppler's effect? Oh, this is cool. You go YouTube and you will know. Okay, it's like an ambulance coming at you. It sounds like ee-oh, ee-oh. And then when it passes through, it goes the thing just goes deep. Have you seen this before? Have you seen this before? Have you observed this before? Next time you see an ambulance, if it passes in front of you, you can hear the sound just goes. The thing will go away. As it goes away, you can hear the sound gets lower. Okay, so why is that so? Because an ambulance, they produce sound this way. Okay, a not moving ambulance, okay, and not moving ambulance, and then when an ambulance goes forward, can you see the frequency here increases? Can you see very high frequency here? Because when the ambulance going fast, the forward wave is compressed. Okay, it's compressed. So you have high frequency, you should hear a high pitch here. All right, and as the ambulance leaves, you will hear this part is like extended. So now you have low frequency, low pitch. You hear, that's why you hear very high pitch here, like and then you go loud. This goes the thing will just drop like suddenly run out of battery. Yes, a high pitch is 高音，对。Okay, this is your Doppler effect. Doppler effect, so cool, isn't it? Okay, so cool, isn't it? It's like honking. You can do this experiment in front of your house. Very easy one. You stand in front of your house. You ask your dad drive past you with the horn on. It's like beep. You know this? I mean, your neighbor is going to kick your ass, but hey, it's for science. It's for science. Okay, you stand in front of your house. Ask your dad to drive past you with the horn on. You know what Doppler effect is, right? That's a stupid way to do experiment, right? Okay, you guys understand, You guys understand, Okay. Anyway, so let's move on to our exercise, shall we? Shall we? Hey guys, before I move on, I have an announcement to make. Do you know it's your replacement class this Sunday? Do you know that this Sunday, 11th of December? Yes. Right. So let me talk about next week. So next week Friday, the same time is the last class. It's week 3. Okay, it's week 3. So week 4. Okay, week 4 you cannot. I mean week 4 you have to attend another class. Okay. So when is it? It's posted in Google Classroom. It's posted in Google Classroom, so please check. Okay, if you go to your Google Classroom, okay, and if you go to Form 1, can you see down there? Can you see down there? So Form 1 science, Eddie, E is English. My English class is 10 in the morning. Okay, 10 in the morning. If you cannot make it, request video. 10 in the morning is English. If you want to come for Mandarin, Mandarin is 2:30 in the afternoon. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Form 2. Sorry, I got you guys mixed up. Okay, so sorry. Excuse me. Oops. Brain fart. Okay, so Form 2. Oh shit. I treat you guys as kids. Okay. You guys Form 1 to me, ma. Okay. Anyway, so oh yeah, here. Hey, why is Keshav coming back? Okay, so Form 2. Hi Keshav, where were you? Where were you? Okay, so for your Form 2, oh, you disconnected. Okay, wow, you missed such a big part. Right, so this week is replacement class, Keshav. It's replacement class. So if you look at this schedule, English class is 11:05 in the morning. Okay, 11 in the morning. This Sunday, not next Sunday. Next Sunday, I already drive off to the sunset to my holiday. See you never. Okay, so if Mandarin class is 3:35. Okay, it's 3:35. If you want to come Mandarin, then you come Mandarin. Okay, where I going? Don't know. No idea yet. I'm just gonna enjoy my well-deserved holiday. Right? So again, English class is 11:05. Sunday, this Sunday, not last Sunday, not next Sunday, certainly not next Sunday either. Which Sunday is it? This Sunday. Is it the next one? No. Is it the last one? No. Which one is it, kids? It's this one. Okay, this one. Ini 这个星期. Okay? So it's either 11:05 or 3:35. Yes, 后天. Thank you. Charlie is a dinosaur. Okay, good. Right, guys, if you rascals, if you request video, you better watch. I have my view counters on one, because I put my video on YouTube one. So you say, sir, I go watch, then the view is 0, I'm gonna come for you. Okay. Not threatening you lah, chill lah, okay. Just a friendly reminder, you better watch. Okay? No pressure, certainly. Okay. Okay, so yes, you watch. Okay, so good, good, please come this Sunday, don't complain, not friendly. Very friendly already. Okay, so don't complain, because Sunday I'll be teaching 4 hours, Monday I'll be teaching 6, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I'll be teaching 9. I'll be teaching 9 hours every freaking day. So oh my god, God have mercy on my liver. Okay, right, so moving on. Let's continue with our exercise, shall we? Okay. 丢下 form 1 哪里可以这样 cannot. I treat all of you like my kid one. All right. Anyway, so have we done the first question last week? Have we done any question last week? Have we? This is question 5, page 5, sorry. Have we done any question? No? Oh, no. Okay. Hey, someone is not here. Oh, Kaylin is not here today. Oh, okay. Kaylin is not here. Okay, thank you, Jingy. Okay, so what can be observed when only the bell is switched on? Can you hear something? I haven't switched on the vacuum pump yet. Can I hear something? Can I hear the bell? Can I hear the bell? Okay, yes, you can. Okay, so the bell can be heard. Okay, loceng boleh didengari. Okay, you can hear bell. Right? But now, what happens when I switch on both? I switch on the bell and I switch on the pump. What now? What now? The bell is silent. Okay, tiada bunyi. Loceng adalah senyap. Okay, also can explain why no sound, where's the sound, why no sound, why? Because when I switch on this, inside will turn into a vacuum. Okay, turn to a vacuum. So bell jar is a vacuum. Okay, vacuum di dalam balang gas. Balang kaca, sorry. Yes, no medium. Yes, Shijian, I accept your answer. There's no medium. Can. Yeah, Shijian, good. That's very good. That's a very good answer. You see, you can do one. You just lazy only. Yeah. Okay, next. What is the characteristic of sound that can be learned from this activity? What can we learn? Sound requires. What do they require? Sound requires, yes, medium. Sound requires medium to propagate. Bunyi memerlukan medium untuk merambat. Because you will, right, Shijin? I can foresee it. Guys, give me a moment. Let me run to the toilet real quick. Okay, hello, I'm back. So let's continue. State two characteristic of sound wave. Oh wow, so happening. P only Okay, so what's the characteristic? What are the two characteristic? Anyone, guys? Anyone? Just pick anyone here lah. Okay. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Sound propagate at different speed in solid liquid gas. Sound can be reflected and absorbed. Just pick any two. Just pick any two. That's online classes. Got online classes, man? Got online classes, man? Oh, you mean your school teacher? Oh, okay. Prepare you all for exam, what? No choice lah. Okay, so we move on. We go to the next one, number 3. I'm picking a few, guys. I'm not pick any choices. What do you mean, Isaac? What do you mean? Go aggressive, man. We go aggressive. Okay. Anyway, so number 3, take the correct statement and cross the incorrect statement. So number 1, sound travels faster than light. Is it correct? Is it correct? No. That's why you see lightning before you hear thunder. Okay. So next B, sound is a form of energy. Yeah, actually these few days, yes. Okay, so yes, this is a form of energy, correct? Okay, Shizin, please don't get me stuck. So C, sound can be reflected and absorbed. Yes. Sound needs a medium to travel. Okay, yes. Good. So next, experiment to study reflection and absorption of sound. So first they use a smooth hard wooden plank. If I use a wood, can I hear the stopwatch? Okay, yes. So the taking of the stopwatch can be Can what, Kajun? Can what? This is a good reflector what? Yes, can be heard. Heard 是 can, not heard. Heard. Dapat didengari. Okay. Can 绕路左右啦 reflected 嘛 can 绕路嘛 so tower, if I put a tower here, can I hear the sound now? Oh shit. I got influenced by you. Okay, heard. So can I hear the sound now? No, cannot be heard. Right, so next, fill in the table below. Okay, so which is a good reflector? Which is a good reflector? Guys, which is a good reflector? Yes, the wood. Which is a good absorber? It'll be a towel. Okay, sorry, tired. So D, underline the sound, which is good reflector. Hey, why same question one? So hard and smooth. Good absorber, soft and rough. Keshav, are you still there, Keshav? Why are you so quiet? Okay, so E conclusion, sound can be, oh, major lag. Is it because of the rain? Is it because of the rain? Okay, so sound can be, according to this experiment, sound can be good reflected, dipantul, and yes, absorbed, diserap. Yes, Ashni, thank you. That's a good answer. Thank you. So, what is the medium here? So this is liquid, jajai. This is gas. This is solid. If you have a shitty neighbor like this, okay, they keep knocking on the wall, you will hear every bit of it. Okay, because solid, they can transmit sound very well. Marble, why marble? Okay, so arrange the speed. Okay, who is the slowest here? Who is the slowest? Gas, liquid, or solid? Who is the slowest? Slowest, slowest, yes, it's gas. Followed by liquid, followed by solid. Speed of sound, this is the fastest, No, solid fastest, what? Solid fastest, not gas. Solid, there. That's why you can hear your neighbor, what? Okay, because they the particles are very close, what? Atoms very close, man. Atoms very close, man. That's why the gas very fast, lor. Okay, can I? So next, while in the apartment, empty, Ahmad found his voice echoes. Describe why. Why will sound echo? Because it's a new apartment. Why new apartment? There's a lot of echo. When you go into an empty apartment, there's a lot of echo, right? Why? There's 3 marks here. Because there's no empty apartment has no no furniture. Yes. Okay. So there's a lot of hard and smooth surface. Okay, permukaan yang keras dan licin. Okay. So lack of soft surface, yes. So they are good reflector of sound. Pemantul bunyi yang baik. So sound is reflected. So you have echo lah. Bunyi dipantulkan. Furniture can absorb, yes, especially soft furniture. Especially soft furniture. Carpet lah, okay? Any soft furniture will do. That's why your room, your bedroom should be quieter than your living room. Right? Your living room should have some echo, but your bedroom should be very quiet because of the bed. Okay, if you have carpet, then it's even more quiet lah. That means your aircon old already lah, go service lah. Okay, so why after curtains, carpet, some furniture, why no echoing? Because the reverse lah. You just write the reverse because there's a lot of soft and rough surface. They are good absorbers of sound, so sound is absorbed. Okay, same answer lah. Okay, next, number 5. So which is a loud sound here? Which is a loud sound here? PQRS, which is it? Loud sound, loud sound. Loud sound. Okay, so that's a Q. Wow, Shijian going on a roll here, Shijian. Okay, so high pitch. High pitch, yes, S. Quiet sound. Quiet sound, P. Low pitch, yes, R. So easy, isn't it, this chapter? But I tell you the bad news lah. This chapter is quite, not really coming out in exam. Okay, because it's too easy to score. Okay, because it's too easy to score, so they don't really come out with this thing. Right? Oh yeah, this Sunday, what am I teaching? This Sunday, I'm teaching chapter 11, 12, 13. I'm one shot covering all chapters. Because they are the not so important chapters lah. Okay, we will talk about planets, we will talk about the sun, we will talk about meteors, asteroid. Yeah, 1 hour I'll cover all 3. I can cover all 3. Because it's not really important. Okay, can so even cannot sempat, I also have to sempat. So which sound has greatest amplitude? Greatest amplitude is who? Greatest amplitude. So what's the greatest amplitude? Hello guys, who's the greatest amplitude here? Yes, C, thank you. So smallest frequency. Smallest frequency. Who has the smallest? What is the frequency? Frequency means how close they are, right? Smallest frequency is A, yes. Softest. Who is the softest here? Yes, softest is D. Softest is D. Okay, Shizia, I think you got it mixed up there. Highest pitch. Who is the highest pitch? Highest pitch is who? Highest pitch is D. What's close, man? Can This is, you see, this one is the high frequency, so high pitch. This one is high amplitude, so high loudness. Can you see C is not that close. C is a bit far. C is a bit far. D is very close. Can hey, don't get this wrong, guys. This is free marks for you. Please don't get this wrong. Okay. All right. So come, we do it again. Which is okay, high frequency is what? What is here? High frequency is, yes, high pitch. Thank you. Okay, high pitch. Low frequency, low pitch. Large amplitude, okay, loud sound. And small amplitude, yes, soft sound. Okay. Right, moving on. Who is the highest pitch and loudest sound? Highest pitch, loudest sound, that will be number 3. Yes, good. That's very good. Okay, that's very good. So describe your choice. Why is it this with the highest pitch and the highest loudness? Because it has the highest. Who determines your pitch? Okay, highest, not wavelength, highest. It should be short wavelength one. It should be the highest. Not amplitude, not amplitude. How close they are is. What is it? Yes, frequency. Thank you. Okay, highest frequency and highest amplitude. Okay, hey, why you guys so blur on today? Tingxiao, why you so blur? Why you so blur? Okay, highest frequency, highest amplitude. Okay, where is everyone? Hey, where is Hao Ye? Hey, where is Hao Ye? Two people gone. Yeah, exactly. I think. Oh, where's Keshav again? Keshav is gone also. Must be the internet. Okay, so anyway, how do you draw this? You see, if exam they give you like this, right? The closed part is the high part. The open part is the low part. So you see, high part and the low part. So this one is the same thing, lor. High part should be here and here. So your graph looks like this. So who has a higher pitch? Who has a higher pitch here? Which tuning fork has a higher pitch? Is it P or Q? Is it P or Q? Who has a higher pitch here? Yes, P. Because the frequency is higher, right? The frequency is higher here. Yes, P. What gua? Why to le gua? Okay, so you know what? You can go home and finish this lah. Our time is almost up already. Okay. This one next week I'll finish it. I will finish this next week. Okay, I'll finish this next week. So remember to come for this Sunday, guys, if you can, because Sunday is I will talk about planets. Okay, so remember to come. So I will see you this Sunday. If not, then I'll see you next week. Right. So take care, guys. Have a happy weekend. I will see you again. Right. Take care. See you. Good night. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.